Hello, good evening, ChatGPT.
Good evening. How's it going? Hope you're having a great day so far. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with.
I can ask question for you.
Of course, go right ahead. I'm here to help with whatever you need. What's on your mind?
For you, ChatGPT, what
I'm I'm glad to hear from you. Feel free to let me know what you need and I'll do my best to help out.
what does mean it means to be first generation college student?
Being a first generation college student means that you're the first in your family to attend college, so you're paving the way for future generations. It often comes with unique challenges like less family experience with the college process, but it also brings a lot of pride and a sense of accomplishment. If you want to dive deeper into any specific aspect, just let me know.
Why do first generation student often fail more expression and than others?
Yeah, there are a few factors that can contribute to first generation college students facing more challenges. For example, they might not have as much familial guidance or support because their parents haven't gone through the college experience themselves. They might also face financial constraints, less access to resources, and sometimes even a lack of confidence or a sense of belonging. But many first gen students also develop incredible resilience and determination, and they often succeed despite these hurdles.
Reduce being the first and the family to attend college after expectation at home.
Absolutely. It can bring a mix of expectations and pressures. On one hand, there's often a lot of pride and hope from family members, which can be motivating. On the other hand, there might be high expectations to succeed, and sometimes that can lead to stress or feelings of pressure. It can also be a bit of a balancing act between fitting in at college and staying connected to family and community expectations. It definitely shapes a unique journey for each first gen student.
Who does financial process impact first graduation college student?
Financial challenges can have a big impact. First generation college students often have less family wealth or savings to rely on, which can lead to difficulties covering tuition, textbooks, and living expenses. This can sometimes mean taking on more jobs, which can add stress and impact academic performance. On the flip side, there are often scholarships, support programs specifically designed for first gen students that can help alleviate some of that burden.
Why not? Why not?
Absolutely. It's definitely a complex topic. If you had any more specific questions or if there's a particular angle you'd like to explore further, just let me know. I'm happy to dive into any detail you need.
Why might first graduation student feel guilty about focusing on their study?
Yeah, that's really common. First generation students might feel guilty because they often have a strong sense of responsibility toward their family. They might worry that by focusing on their studies, contributing enough at home, or that they're leaving their family behind. There can also be cultural expectations or feelings of loyalty that add to that guilt. It's definitely a complex emotional experience, and it's important to have support systems in place to help navigate it.
How can lack of guidance from family make college life or challenging?
Absolutely, it can be tough. Without family guidance, first gen students might not be as familiar with the college environment, like understanding how to navigate course registration, accessing academic resources, or even finding the right support networks. That can lead to feelings of being overwhelmed or isolated. It's why it's really important to seek out mentors, advisors, and peer support groups that can help bridge that gap and make the transition smoother.
What emotionally challenges?
Absolutely. The challenges are definitely real, but there are also a lot of resources and support systems out there to help
By the
first
way,
gen students. Exactly. And with the right support, resilience, and resources, First generation students can absolutely succeed and even bring unique perspectives to their college communities. If you ever want to explore more strategies or have any other questions, I'm here now.
Why emotional changes do first graduation student commonly expression?
First generation students often face a range of challenges. Some common ones include navigating the college application process without family experience, adjusting to academic expectations that might be new or unfamiliar, and sometimes feeling a sense of isolation or imposter syndrome. They might also face financial barriers, limited access to mentorship, and balancing responsibilities at home. It's definitely a multifaceted experience, and each student's journey is unique.
How do you spark up
I'm glad you found it helpful. If you have any more questions or if there's anything else you'd like to dive into, just let me know. I'm always here to help.
How do you spur a failure after the first graduation student mental health?
Absolutely. Mental health is a huge aspect. First generation students can sometimes experience stress, anxiety, or even feelings of loneliness due to the unique challenges they face. It's really important for them to have access to mental health resources like counseling services, peer support groups, and even wellness programs. Creating a supportive environment and encouraging open conversations about mental health can make a big difference in their overall well being.
How can
Anytime.
how can academic pressure different for first graduation student compare to other?
First generation students, academic pressure can feel more intense for a few reasons. They might not have as much prior guidance or familiarity with the academic environment, which can make it harder to navigate coursework, expectations, and academic norms. They might also feel a heightened sense of responsibility to succeed, both for themselves and for their families, which can add extra pressure. On the flip side, some first gen students also develop strong resilience and adaptability, which can help them overcome these challenges. It's definitely a unique dynamic compared to students who have more family experience with college.
How can being a role model for blessing add pressure?
Being a role model can definitely add a layer of pressure, especially for first generation students. On one hand, it can be incredibly motivating and fulfilling to inspire younger siblings, cousins, or even peers. On the other hand, it can create a sense of responsibility and sometimes even guilt if they feel they're not meeting expectations. Balancing that role model status with personal well being is key, and having a supportive network can really help manage that balance.
What support system are important for first graduation and college student?
Support systems are absolutely crucial. Some important ones include academic advising, mentorship programs, peer support groups, and counseling services. It's also helpful to have family or community support, even if they're not familiar with the college experience. On top of that, resources like tutoring centers, career services, and student organizations can make a big difference. All of these help create a network that makes the college journey smoother and more successful.
Why is asking for help something difficult for first graduation student?
It can be tough for first generation students for a few reasons. They might worry about being perceived as less capable or fear that asking for help could be seen as a weakness. There can also be a sense of pride or independence, wanting to figure things out on their own. Additionally, they might not know exactly where to turn for help or who to trust, especially if they're navigating unfamiliar territory. Overcoming that barrier often involves building trust and creating a supportive environment where asking for help feels safe and encouraged.
Why is mental health hour important for first graduation student?
mental health is really crucial because first generation students often face unique stresses like adjusting to a new environment, balancing responsibilities, and dealing with high expectations. If their mental health isn't supported, it can impact their academic performance, their overall well-being, and their sense of belonging. Prioritizing mental health helps them build resilience, cope with challenges, and ultimately thrive both academically and personally.
Why should society give more attention and support to first graduation college student?
Supporting first generation college students is really important because they often bring diverse perspectives and talents that enrich communities and campuses. By giving them more attention and support, society helps level the playing field, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to succeed. This not only benefits the individuals themselves, but also leads to broader societal gains like increased innovation, economic mobility, and stronger communities. It's a win-win for everyone involved.
Thank you, ChatGPT, for answer my question.
You're very welcome. I'm always happy to help. If you ever have more questions or just want to chat, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great one.
Have a great one too, ChatGPT.
Thanks so much. Take care and feel free to reach out anytime. Have a wonderful day.
Uh, Goodbye, ChatGPT.
You're welcome. Anytime you need anything, I'm here. Have a great one and talk to you soon.